Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This month is going to be a little bit different than what you are used to on my channel, but I am going to be doing a series on how I clean my house monthly. I've done a daily cleaning routine, a weekly cleaning routine, and now I'm going to be doing a monthly series. So I'm going to start with my master bedroom. I know if you've been following my channel for a while, that I have posted a deep clean of my master bedroom before, long ago, like I say long ago, when I first started, which was back in May. So I'm going to be doing kind of like an updated version of that. So to begin my cleaning routine, I start obviously with what I do daily and then what I do weekly, and I will be posting both of those videos up above, so you can click on those for references, and then I will jump into my monthly routine. We've been gone all day today, so I didn't get a chance to clean my house like I normally do, but I'm catching up right here. I wonder if anyone is in the same boat as me, even though I know that it's nighttime and we are probably going to be getting into the bed within the next hour. I cannot get into the bed unless it's made. So I have to make the bed. Yes, I know that we're going to be messing it up within the next hour, but I don't know. It's just something about making the bed. Like I don't feel clean and don't feel rested until my bed is made. So if there's anyone like that, let me know below so I don't feel like I'm the only one.
You say you love me, but I don't think that it's true. It's all for you, all that I do. It's hard to escape all the problems in your brain, but it's okay. Have a
step 1 to my monthly routine is to vacuum the curtains. I just take my cordless vacuum cleaner and I run it over the curtains and just make sure that they are dust free.
When things don't go your way, I said, girl, don't lose your faith, 'cause you won't always be alone.
The second thing that I do is I clean the blinds, the windows, and the window seal. I am going to be using my Norwex cloth to wipe down the blinds, the window, and the window seals, and to make the windows shine, I'm going to go with my window cloth after I wipe it down with my Enviro cloth, and it will make the windows streak free and shiny.
That was good. I said, girl, don't lose your faith.
The next step is to wipe down the baseboards, so I literally am just going to take my Enviro cloth and run over the baseboards extremely quickly. So this takes literally no time to do, but I just want to make sure that there is no dust on them.
I said, girl, don't lose your faith.
Step 4 is to wipe down all the doors, the knobs, and the light switches. So just like I did the baseboards, I am just going to run over the doors. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Run over the doors and wipe those down along with the knobs and all the light switches, just to make sure that everything is free of particles and bacteria and all that good stuff.
Everything changes.
Step 5 is to wipe down the air vents. Believe it or not, these are seriously one of the dirtiest things ever. The air vents are disgusting. They collect dirt so easily, so making sure that these are dust free is crucial. So I just wipe down the air vents, make sure that I take all the dirt out and dust particles, and every so often I will actually take the air vents off and wash them down. Step 6, and this is the last thing, is to organize and purge any clothes that I need to. So basically I just take all my clothes out and put them all back in nice and organized, because if you are like me, then a lot of times I will be in a hurry and rummage through all my clothes and they all get messed up and cluttered. So I'm just going through and refolding all of my clothes to make sure that they are nice and organized. And I also go through and get rid of any clothes that I feel like I'm not ever gonna wear or I don't wear very often, and I will take those to Goodwill.
Life.
So that is it for my monthly cleaning routine. Again, if you're interested to see what I do daily and what I do weekly, then make sure that you check out the links above as well as the links that I have in my description box. I will also link it at the end of this video for your convenience as well. And I hope to see you in my next video. My next one is going to be a continuance of this series. So stick around and I will see you in my next video. Bye!